Today's topic of conversation is the global variation of bees. Open the page now and type the page title. Global variant can be typed into the title bar. After selecting a template, you can move on the following page. Now that the page template is accessible on a hidden screen, you may see many templates on it. I can select the first blank canvas template here, open it by clicking it, then a home page appears on the screen. Currently, there is an element, template and navigators option on the left side that can we open it. We already have our family font set to interruption. I may alter it as well based on our requirements. We can also upload our own fonts and select Google Fonts. Simply scroll down, pick and add it. The following choice is size. The front and back bars can be moved to change the size. Here we notice 4 options. REM or RAM have ability. The font size is specified in units of pixels using the RAM or relative to the browser base font size formula. VW can simple strategy, font size VW. However, particularly with higher VW values, the font quickly becomes uncontrollable, too small for mobile devices and too small for desktop computers. The weight and rest of the value can be changed as desired. The next transform option is likewise customizable. We can capitalize, lowercase, and all caps our theme or text. After selecting the regular style, I can use the higher case choice. I can choose my decoration, and we can see it on a screen. It can suit a lot of characteristics. Similar to the primary option, the previous option may likewise have several features. Click on New Typography to add a new typography to the document. I now have a new thing, just click it. There will be lots of choices. We can choose a family font by uploading it or using Google Fonts. Google Font also offers a wide variety of options. Size can also be changed. We have the choice to choose the weight, alter the transformation, alter the style, and modify our decorating scheme. After adjusting the line height and letter spacing, all the characteristics that can be chosen now fit the new typeface. Let's change the item's type and save it. Following save and close, from the left side of the screen, select the template. The template should be moved out. It is now editable. Click the text editing option now. So properties will be displayed on the right side. Currently, a style option is visible on the screen. In this case, the text color. Scroll down after clicking it. A color picker is present. Also include a global option that can be customized. To add a precious global color, select the global option and scroll down to view the selection. Now click on color and the text will change. We are able to produce all of these hues. Today, typography offers a variety of options, including global color. It has a customized option with a variety of options. Go to global option and scroll down to the bottom. Typography will be the final section to which we can add. Simply click to apply to the template. So you can see how changing the typography and color may change the template. Opening the sample in various paddings. Wow, it appears amazing on the mobile setting. The current tutoring has completed this. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. It's too simple to create fresh typography and colors in the global palette and apply them to other templates or temples. The choice is simple to locate and applies quickly to many templates. Please leave a remark if you have any questions. Be careful. So that concludes our today's tutorial or tutorial video. I hope that you liked the video, you enjoyed watching it, and I hope that you learned from this tutorial, because that's how we know that we succeeded. Well, it's time to say goodbye and take care, stay safe, and feel free to use this software and let us know what you think of it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. We will try to get to you as soon as possible. And stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video.